Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting an issue with Windows Update where it says you cannot currently check for updates. So this should hopefully be a quick tutorial and we're going to jump into it. We're going to start by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but I'm going to open up Google Chrome for this tutorial. And I'm going to navigate over to this Microsoft support page here for the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Most of you guys should probably be on Windows 7 if you're getting this issue. So you're going to select the download troubleshooter for Windows 7 and Windows 8. Again, you can see it's on Microsoft domain up here, so it is a safe download. Once it's done downloading, just left click on the utility one time to open it up. You can minimize out of the web browser as well. So it says troubleshooting help prevent computer problems. Left click on next here. It's going to begin detecting problems, so just be patient, give it a minute. Okay, so once that's done, hopefully it should be able to resolve the issue. You just close out of here. Would recommend restarting your computer. Try also clearing your Windows Update cache. I've made tutorials like that in the past, so feel free to check out my channel for that. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.